This is the shrine of Namatapia. During the time of our enslavement, when we gave, sold, leased, or whatever you want to call it, to those oppressors, our shrine was taken away. For years, nothing was here, but you know, you can't move the spirit. And when slavery ended, when the Europeans vacated, the shrine came back. In one of the chambers, as you came through, all of those are chambers where our brothers, our fathers, our grandfathers were held captive. And during that time, there was this is a tunnel, and this tunnel was open. And after the enslaved Africans were branded, and it was time to ship them away, they passed them through this tunnel, which covers the entire length of the Cape Coast Castle dungeons, from this side to that side, before joining the women to go out through the door of no return. When I came here in 1987, this young man's father was the person that met us here at this shrine, that poured libation in welcoming us and asking that the ancestors guided and protected us, taking us back across the water, but that we shouldn't stay, that we should come back. And being in here at that time, I remember the tour guide saying, oh, Black Americans don't come here. White people come all the time. It's a tourist attraction, but we don't come. And we assured him at that time that we're coming back. We are definitely coming back, and more will come. You're here. You are here. And this is his son. And he will pour libation for us. He will also offer up prayers for our safe return, for our welcome. But in giving and paying homage to our ancestors, we feed them just as we feed ourselves. Now, I know everyone has had some problems with their tummy. We don't have to take much. Small, small, small. Take a little bit, a little pinch of the egg, and then we'll pass it around before we put the offering on the altar. And in respect of the priest, we'll offer the first bit to the priest. As we feed ourselves, so we feed our ancestors.
Let's go ahead. You
No.
did not.
Come. Come.
Please, please participate, please.
As we join together as one, that a circle not being broken. That the desires of our sister's heart manifest in all that we do. My brother, Ras Marvin, you don't have to eat, to take and be offered. You can throw it there against the wall. My brother? Take it this way. For money. Would you begin to light your candles, starting on this end? One candle lights the other candle.